Hello everyone. In my previous video, I showed you exactly how the Raspberry Pi operating system looks like. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a number guesser that I programmed using Python 3. So the number guesser is like, it has a pretty simple script. It doesn't have much. So basically the script just reads if your number is higher or lower. Right now let me just run the script. So it says welcome to number guesser, and now I'm just going to start high and my guess is 90. And it says try guessing a low number, so then I'm going to guess 10. Then it says try guessing a higher number, so let's try 50. A higher number, so 60. Try guessing a higher number, so 70. Okay, again 80. Let's try 75 since now it's a lower number. Okay, 72. Still a higher number, so let's try 73. Oh, now it's got to be 74. Yeah, okay, that is correct. So yeah, that is my number guesser.